Hi, lovely people. How are you? Well, if you read from the title, I'm going to be unboxing the 2018 Yes Oh Yes subscription. But before I begin, if you're wondering what is on my eyes, I am wearing the Dose of Colors, the Desi and Katie in a Friendication palette. That's what it looks like. And there is what it looks like. I love the mattes, but the metallics, they're very, very chunky. I have mixed feelings about this. And I am using the, what is this, Friego, and the highlighter. And that's what that looks like. That's what I have on my cheeks. And then my lips, I'm wearing a lipstick by the brand Kaylin. I think we got this in a Lola box one day, and then the Buxom lip gloss on top of it. And then in my waterline, I am wearing the Kokie Cosmetics in this blue shade. What is the shade? Royal Blue is what I'm wearing on my waterline. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about this subscription. Now, I used to get this subscription months ago when it first actually started. The first couple of months I was getting it. And I unsubscribed because it wasn't that good. And when I first got them, the subscription was $12.99. And then the next month it went up to $13.99. The next month it went up to $14.99. I didn't like the fact that they were getting more customers and they were upping the prices. Plus you have to pay for shipping for this. But my friend Abby, Abadabs, she unboxes this every month and it's getting a lot better. So I was like, you know what? Let me resubscribe and see if they redeem themselves. Now I believe this is $14.99 and then you pay for shipping. Altogether it's about $18. So let's see if they redeem themselves. Am I going to continue getting this or am I going to unsubscribe after this unboxing? All right, so I did cut it open a little bit because I always have a problem with opening up things. And I did take a peek, so I do know one of the things that we're getting in here. All right, so the first thing, let me see if there's a card. Is there a card? I don't remember if it comes with a card. Let's see. Yeah, I feel a card. Okay, so it's Resting Witch Face is the theme for this month. And on the back, it tells you everything that you're getting and the prices. So the total value is $116. All right. So the first thing that I knew we were going to get, and I got this before in a Lola box, and this is from the brand Sticks. And they call it because everything is like a stick thing. And I got in the shade Tangerine. If you guys can see that. I'm not sure. I'm using natural lighting, so it's very bright out. So this lipstick, it retail values for $20. So that's the price already of what you pay for the subscription. Now, let me show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to put it back because in a Lola box, I got the same shade in Tangerine. So I'm going to swatch it for you. Now this is really nice because what this is made for is so that you can do it one-handed. You ever know if you're doing something, you only have one hand, so it's hard, you know, to do two hands. So you just flick it. Oh, if I put it the right way, you just flick it like this. You see that? Just like that, and then you can open it up. Now this also turns right here, so it's pretty cool. Now the only thing is this is very, very, very bright. It's not showing on camera how bright it is. This is like a neon, like a yellow, and then you just pull it down and put the lid back. So it's very pretty, and it's not showing. I don't know because I'm in front of a window, but like I said, this is nice for the summertime. So I'm going to give this to somebody that I know that loves these colors. Okay. The next thing we got is some nail polish from NCLA, which I've got this brand before, and this says $18. I don't think I would pay $18 for it. This is in the shade I've been drinking. That's funny. I don't think I would wear this shade. Lately, I have been using, I started getting the KL polish by Kathleen Lights. And I believe hers are $9.50, but she has a lot of discounts. And it was 40% off, so I got a few of them to try them out. And I really do like them. But I don't think I would pay $18 for any nail polish. But it's a very pretty shade. I will probably put this on my toes. All right. The next thing we got that I'm pulling out is, it's a palette from City Limits. What is this? From IBI, but it's City Limits. This retail values for $28. And let's see if I can open it. Come on. Let's see. Okay. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so that's pretty. It's the same packaging right there. Oh, it comes with a nice mirror and cardboard packaging. So these are what it looks like. These are really pretty. Let me take a couple swatches. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna do a 4, and let's see. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. So there are 4 shades right there, if you guys can see. So I really like that. I'm going to play with this. I'll probably play around with this tomorrow. I have a few of these, and I really like the IBY palettes. All right. The next thing we get is a little brush, and this is a Scone Cosmetics Luxe Pro brush for $20. Again, I don't think I would pay $20 for this. See if I can get this thing open. Okay. So that's what she looks like right there. What I like using these small ones for is for my eyebrows right here to put some shimmer or even to pack on. This is good for a cut crease. I just don't think I would pay $20. I have tried Scone Cosmetics before. I got it in my Ipsy's bag and I really do like them. But anyway, that is $20. And last but not least is, what is this? This is from Marabella. What is this? This is a long wear eyeshadow for $30. Now, I have tried Marabella before, and they're pressed eyeshadows, and they're pretty good. They are an expensive brand. Let's see what I got. What is this shade that I got? This is in Charmed. So that's what it looks like. It's like a purplish color. Let's see if I can get it open and do a little swatchy swatch. I don't know. Is it you? Comment down below. Would you pay $30 for one eyeshadow? I don't know. We will see. Okay, so it comes with this little thing that you take off, and that's what it looks like. But, oh, this is like spongy, if you guys can see. Look. Can you see? Okay, let's do a little bit more. So this is like a cream eyeshadow right there. You can kind of use this as a blush too. And it does blend out really well. I like the fact that you can like press down on it. I still wouldn't pay $30, but it's very, very pretty. So you know what? Let me put that little safety seal back on because it probably will dry out quick if you don't have it on. All right, so let's recap everything that we got. So we got this eyeshadow that is $30. We got this nail polish that it says it is $18. We got this Scone Cosmetics brush that is $20. We got this City Limits eyeshadow palettes from IBY Beauty, which is how much? $28. And then we got this lipstick, which is $20. So the value is $116. I think some of these prices are kind of expensive. I probably would pay $28 for an eyeshadow palette, but the rest I think is very expensive. I think it's an okay bag this month for October. I don't hate anything. I mean, I don't prefer nail polish, but I don't mind it. The color lipstick is not for me, but I don't know. I'm still on the fence about this. It is pretty, it definitely has improved. Let's just put it that way from when I used to subscribe. I'm going to try for another few months. I always do it for 3 months to see if I really like it. Comment down below, do you get this subscription? What do you think? Do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's everything I have to say. Please like this video. It does help me out. Make sure you leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. I have a giveaway going on right now. It is over October 31st, so make sure that you are subscribed. And I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.